Last weekend's promotional soccer tournament made for interesting watching as 7 teams made it to the field. 7 teams turned up bright and early with a wide range of players, some as young as 12 and even some over the age of 50, all eager to show off some of their skills. Due to a shortage of player numbers, some teams also had women on board to take on the rivals. David Talangi, the president of the Soccer Association, says considering it has been some time since the sport has been played on the island, the turnout from players and spectators alike was very good. Dave says further outlook for the sport is to further develop skills, especially amongst the young players, to bring up the standards, and hopefully some of the older players will act as mentors to their teams. But the victors in this tournament was a team from Vaea. In second place that went to Tuapa, third Alofi, and fourth to a team called Fruit Salad. The soccer season will begin this week with games for men's teams only. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope you join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Then I the Valatang to Patutol Galata me Afiafine, Amanaki ke Lidio Matutaki me Flevea ke he Afiafia to Lotto. Nanofwa, Mripo Ato Lidio ke Flevea.